When I was about 14, I saw this Airfix 9F box and I thought I'd like one of those. I bought the Hornby 9F, but no one made the Consett wagons that it was pulling. So, jump forward 40 years and K&R Models announce they're going to make some. My pre-order goes in pretty much straight away. I've just received a package, inside of which were 3 of these boxes, which should be my K&R Models Consett wagons. So let's have a look. There we go. Oh. There we go. How's about that then? That's a nice box. Bit bumped and creased in this corner, but yeah, it's the box. And this is Consett Ore Wagons Pack B with loads. So the initial box looks good. Not much on the outside. Let's have a look in. Right. They look good. How do we open these? Take the lid off. Oh. Am I missing something? Where are the loads? Okay. That's not good. What's going on here? Right, so one with the wheels falling off, one with no loads. Let's see if we can find out why these have fallen off. But I can see what the problem is. The screw in here has no shoulder on it, so if you tighten it up too much, the bogie doesn't turn, but you have to leave it just loose enough so that the bogie can rotate. So we'll have to try and work out something to solve that. My solution was to make these tiny brass collars which slip over the screws, which allows them to tighten up before the bogie stops turning. Anyway, let's get all 9 out. Together, all 9 look fantastic and the loads look very realistic. When you remove the loads and look down into the hopper, the inside detail of the doors is nicely modelled. There's a lovely level of detail on the underframes. The air tanks are nicely moulded, and the detail on the ends of the wagons is very crisp and sharp. The decals and transfer prints have been nicely executed on the outside, particularly the British Rail emblem in gold at the right hand end of some of the wagons. Altogether very crisp and very pleasing. Now I think we'll take all 9 of them to the layout and have a bit of fun running them. And now, in a homage to the Airfix box, Evening Star returns with the empties. Overall, a pretty good second product to the market. Little glitch with my screws falling out and one of the loads being missing, but yeah, highly recommended. If they do a second run, I would say get some. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, share, subscribe and ring the bell for notification. See you next time. Bye.